Welcome, in front of me I have Apple Watch SE and I'm gonna show you how to enable the VoiceOver feature on this device. Let's start by opening the settings. To do it, press the digital crown. Here find the settings icon and tap on it to open the settings. In settings, let's scroll down and select accessibility. And here we have VoiceOver option, tap on it. And now we can enable it by using the slider right here. So simply tap on the slider.
VoiceOver on, back, button.
And now the voice will read basically what is selected in this frame.
VoiceOver, back button.
And you can tap on something to select it.
VoiceOver speaks items on the screen. Bullet swipe left or right to select an item. Bullet double tap to activate the selected item.
And like the voice said, we can use or rather we can swipe left or right on the screen to move the frame around, and we can also double tap on items to activate them.
VoiceOver speaks items on the screen. Bullet swipe left or right.
So for example, if you want to go back to the settings and we selected the back button, we can double tap it now to go back.
Accessibility, back button.
Now let's select VoiceOver.
VoiceOver, on.
Double tap it.
VoiceOver, switch button. On.
Select the switch.
VoiceOver. Switch button.
Double tap it to deactivate the VoiceOver. We can also scroll down right here and we have few settings we can adjust. First we have speaking rate. We can increase it or decrease it. Like this. Below we have VoiceOver volume. Again, we can increase it or decrease it. Here we have haptics and we can disable them or enable them. Below we have option called Siri Voice. If you enable this option, the VoiceOver will use the voice of Siri. And you can enable it or disable it. Right here we have speak hints and we can enable them or disable them. Below we have digital crown navigation. Basically, if you enable this option, you can move the frame around by rotating the crown instead of swiping left or right on the screen. Below we have speak on raised rise, and at the bottom we have screen curtain option, and this option basically turns off the screen. Nothing will be visible. You can only use or rather use the watch by following the voice commands. Let's say it like that. And to disable it, if you enable it, I think you can only disable it by using the app, because the screen is off on your watch and I'm not sure how to disable it otherwise. And right here at the bottom we have speak seconds and rotor languages. Okay, we can also adjust the settings on the app. So let's bring our phone right here. Open the Apple Watch app on our phone. Scroll down, select accessibility, select VoiceOver. Here we can turn it on and off by tapping the slider.
VoiceOver on. VoiceOver. Back button. VoiceOver off.
We can change the speaking rate, VoiceOver volume, turn off the haptics, enable the Siri Voice, adjust the settings right here, speak hints, the digital crown navigation, speak on wrist rise, screen curtain, and we can turn it off and off, or and off rather. And at the bottom we have speak seconds and rotor languages. And that's how you enable the VoiceOver option on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.